Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick and easy messy updo. To start, I've simply popped the hair into 3 ponytails. Now, taking that ponytail at the top, we're just going to do a simple rope braid. So starting on the top ponytail, split this in half and we're going to create a simple rope braid. So to do this, we twist both of those sections to the left or anti-clockwise, and then we're going to cross the left hand strand over the top of the right. And then you just continue using this method all the way down to the end and secure it with a clear elastic band. Clip that out of the way, and then we're going to repeat this on the remaining 2 ponytails, so we'll end up with 3 rope braids. Next, apply a generous amount of texture spray to that bottom rope braid and use your finger and thumb just to pull out that rope braid so it gives it a big messy look. The more you pull out this braid, the better the end style is going to look. And just repeat that on all 3 braids. So once you've finished that, take that top braid and all we're going to do is wrap it clockwise around the elastic band, making sure that you tuck your ends under so you can't see them. And then just take a few bobby pins and pin that to the head until it's nice and secure. Then we're going to do the same with the middle braid, so wrap it around that elastic band clockwise, use your fingers to help hold it in position, tuck the ends under and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And finally, just do the exact same steps on that bottom braid. Add a bit more texture spray if needed, and then all we're going to do is simply pinch and pull at sections of those braids using a bit of hairspray to help separate. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.